Everyone, this is Charles Harper. You're looking at on your screen a sample of one of the videos from our Microsoft Copilot PLR that we just really did. And this is one of the videos actually from the upgrade. I'm going to give you an excerpt of that video here in this video so you can see where I think some of the future of online education is going to be going. What you'll see and hear is me interacting with this video and interacting with Copilot while we're interacting with the screen. I'll also give you an excerpt of the training that I did tonight, and that training is going to be what is the Start Your Challenge Masterclass that I did a little while back, and I'm uploading a live training session now for you to use as your own. Point is, both of these videos together are really going to position you to be out in the forefront, to really be an expert before this time comes, and for you to start teaching your customers the future of what I think online marketing is going to be, online education is going to be, as well as what it's going to take to lead a community. And that's really what I talked about here tonight is one of the elements that you're going to really need in order to run challenges and use those challenges in running your community. You'll see a link here for our Microsoft Tools Volume 2 PLR for the videos that will demonstrate what Copilot Vision does, how it will see and hear the things that you are trying to do and teach your customer. This is a case where you do want to make sure that you do get the upgrade videos because they will show you and it will allow you to teach your customer how to use Copilot in a way that's to benefit them and then benefit their customers. So make sure you check out the links below for content for you to teach your customers. And thanks and have a great day. Welcome back. Now, obviously, you can operate Microsoft OneNote in your desktop applications. However, we have opened up Microsoft OneNote in the browser. And what we're going to do is we're going to test Copilot's ability to help us to do something with OneNote as it sees it on its screen. So we're going to turn on the Copilot and we're going to ask Copilot what we should do next.
How's it going?
Fine. We have on our screen OneNote. What can I do with OneNote?
OneNote's pretty versatile. You can create digital notebooks, organize your notes into sections and pages, draw sketches, insert media files, and share notebooks with others for collaboration. It's like a digital notebook on steroids. What are you looking to do with it?
I'm looking to start taking notes on a specific subject. So if that is the case, what should I do next based on what you see on my screen?
First, you'd want to start by creating a new notebook for your specific subject. On your screen, there's a button labeled New under My Notebooks. Click that, and then you can name your notebook according to your subject. After that, you can start adding sections and pages within your new notebook to organize your notes. How do you like to structure your notes?
I think what I'm going to do first is I'm going to click New as you suggested. I'm going to give the notebook a new name. I'm going to click Create. And once I get this open, can you tell me then what I should do next? Right now, it's telling me that it is creating a notebook, and it's taking a while to create. But now the notebook seems to be available. So based on what you see on your screen, what should I do now if I want to take notes on a specific subject?
Let's get you started by adding content to your new notebook. I can see you're already on a blank page, so it's a good time to start jotting down your notes. You can type directly onto this page. If you want to organize better, consider creating sections for different topics by clicking Add Section on the left sidebar. This way, you can have all your notes neatly categorized. How are you planning?
Seven-day challenge on how to edit your videos. I'm going to do a 7-day challenge on how to do marketing. I'm going to do a 7-day challenge on how to write your Kindle book. They're going to understand the challenge. And so you as an information marketer need to issue challenges, which are basically an incentive for people to hold themselves accountable. When you sell one to many, you can't be the account, you can't hold them accountable. Right. So when you start talking about holding people accountable, then you move up to coaching and you charge more. Right. So just so that you'll know. So whenever you're selling one to many, the line of demarcation is you're not holding people accountable. You can't hold people accountable one to many. What you can do is give them an incentive to hold themselves accountable, and that's what the process is. That's what you're selling them. What you are doing in this process is leading, right? That's what you're doing behind the curtain. When somebody buys a challenge, you're bringing them into a leadership process, and what they're buying is a challenge. So they are buying what's behind the curtain, and they're buying a challenge. They understand that word. What they are actually getting from you is an incentive to hold themselves accountable. You are leading them, right? So you are selling leadership. You're not just selling information, you are now selling leadership. You are leading them through a process that